Hi everybody, Scott Miller with Wintrust Mortgage. It's been a while since I've done these videos, mainly because we went through in April, we sold River City Mortgage to Wintrust. And no matter how well you plan or prepare for these types of changes, we still had some learning curve, a few bumps in the road, and now we are running smooth, closing loans quickly. We just had one in our office that they took and closed in a week and a half, so it can certainly be done, and probably a more streamlined process now just because we're very focused on application date rather than just looking at the closing date. So we're very excited about closing some loans, which is why I'm doing the video, trying to give you some quick updates. One of the loans that we have available now is called a 203K loan. This is an FHA loan that allows work to be completed after closing. It's excellent for purchases and for refinances. On a purchase, since the majority of the homes for sale are bank owned and they might need some improvements, whether it's new kitchens, appliances, new roof, carpeting, siding, whatever, this loan allows for that work to be completed after closing. So it's a great way to buy that house that just needs a little bit of work to be done. And then it's also great for refinancing. Those of us that bought our house 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago and realize that we can't move and maybe can't even refinance because we don't have enough equity, this is a great way to maybe get some of those home improvements done while lowering our interest rate and improving our home. So it's a great loan. Love to talk to you about that. I can be reached at 763-509-7400. My email is samiller@wintrustmortgage.com. That's WINTRUSTMORTGAGE. Another thing that I wanted to just encourage you, if you're thinking about moving or refinancing right now, okay, so we had the Congress approve the debt limit. While that prevented us from defaulting on our credit, it hasn't taken us out of the possibility of having our credit rating decrease. So that's still a concern, and we saw over this past week the stock market lost all of the gains that it had for the previous part of the year. So that was a negative deal. And so the rates are ticking downward. So now is a great time to consider refinancing or, of course, be buying a home. But what I was going to ask you to do is really pay attention to how long you think you're going to live in your current house. In the Midwest, we're very nervous about talking about ARM loans, adjustable rate mortgages, and mainly because some of those bad loans that got all the bad press, they were all adjustable rates, so everyone kind of shies away. But there's some excellent 5, 7, and 10-year ARMs, meaning that they're fixed for 5, 7, or 10 years before they ever adjust, and that might help reach a financial goal quicker, maybe get rid of some other debt or save some more money in a time period that you're going to move before that ever adjusts. So I'd ask you to consider that if you're thinking about refinancing or even buying a house. Pass this video along, this link, to your friends and family and coworkers. Have them give me a buzz. Let's just see if there's a better option for them that'll help them, again, reach their goals in this tough economic time. I'm hoping you have a great week. I hope you have a great weekend, and give me a buzz, 763-509-7400. Take care.